Palm Rest Repair on NEC VersaPro VBT laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Desiree, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing a laptop to a professional repair shop for palm rest cover repair is a good decision to ensure that the palm rest cover is replaced or repaired using appropriate tools and materials, preserving the laptop's original functionality and aesthetics. Additionally, technicians can inspect the device for any underlying issues that might have contributed to the damage, addressing them proactively. This approach not only restores the laptop's appearance and usability, but also extends its lifespan, making it a smart and practical investment in maintaining the device's overall quality. Atheist Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Palm Rest Repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your palm rest repaired too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.